name is Adam Sayah. I'm solution architect at Solo.io. Basically, I help customers and prospects solve their problems. We are very passionate about application networking, and just talking about the technology is a big fun for us.
Right.
How to do things, how we are actually reshaping the network. I think it's more of a mission we are in to simplify this concept of what we call application networking. And definitely that workshop was part of this initiative. We were doing a workshop regarding eBPF and the CNI, kind of like trying to understand how Cilium is built. I was very excited to hear a lot of great feedback. I have a lot of many folks coming to me telling me that as one of the best workshops they've been to, and then I'm very glad. I think it's a two-part thing. I'm very glad to use Instruqt for this kind of workshops. I think it simplified a lot the way we interact with the content. A couple of years ago, we had to create scripts and just tell them how to install things like that on their machines.
Yep.
And it was a different interaction, right? They spend time on running some scripts, and sometimes they probably maybe do it wrong and they don't engage the same way. Now we have Instruqt. Everything is on the browser.
Yep.
They don't have to really much think about how to set up the environment. They really focus on what I have to say. They learn new things, and the platform is there to assist them, achieving this. So I think the success of this workshop is mostly a two-part thing, and I'm glad for this.
Yeah.
I don't have to really care about telling them how to install or set up this machine or anything. They already show up with everything they need.
Yeah.
You're here to learn what I have to say and not actually learn how to set up, the lab environment.
What a novel idea.
Yeah.